Uno will love stump on the roadside call myself Gangsta and Militant. And when I come for today. Can I love see the youth them, I go back to them school for further medication, go them 9 to 5 to feed themselves and or them family. But yet uno call them nerd and fish. But yet uno call themselves militant. Wow. Reverse day, cause I can't say go. Cause the youth them will go out every morning, go out 5 o'clock a morning, come in 6 o'clock even. How uno for more militant now them when they wake up 10 o'clock and stump on roadside till 10 o'clock? Uno lean. Uno no militant, brother. I demand them when you go out and further themselves and I put discipline in them work. Dedicate themselves to them future self and them family. I them militant. I them have discipline. All you do is stump on the roadside and no beg Pam, Pamela, Tam and Stanisha. You see them fish them on the sun no like when beg them too. You know, no come like a mongrel dog them when you see them in my yard. I back at my door. Every evening when the food don't cook and them know say people ready to fling out the bone them, the dog them line up. I suck on no tan. But you don't want this the youth them will go through work in the system, the same system when you claim say I fight them more than uno. Because one thing you know for a fact, the man them will work, the system feed pan them more than anybody else. Because the system will take out tax out of them pay every single fortnight. What uno do? How system a fight you know? You want to live free, brother. And I can go and want to come style the youth them want to see you them go the right path. And uno a fish and uno a nerd. The man them militant. Cause the man them get up a morning time. Some of them get up and do them push up, do them make a prayer and go to morning time and come in at evening time. And of course stepping at some supervisor or some manager feels them not like. But them have to hold it because them know say yo, yes, here. Me and myself and my family for feed. Me can't afford to go stump on the roadside for the man pass me and look at me a certain way. But anyway, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?